Hey man, say man, we're back with another video. And today I'm gonna break down a trade. Hold on, before I even start, today I woke up today and I felt like I had a feeling like I shouldn't trade today, or I had a feeling like it was just off. Not that I shouldn't trade, I didn't have that feeling, but I had just an off feeling when I woke up. It's cloudy today, it's raining today. It's just one of those days where you just feel like, ugh, you know what I mean? So I did take a trade today, but I took it on my live account instead of taking it on like Prop Firm or my funded account. Just because I'm like, I don't know. And then it was CPI today, so I'm like, I'm just gonna take a trade on my live account, and then that's it. It was only one trade. I sent out two. One of them didn't play out. It was just invalid, so it couldn't play out. The second one was gold, and I ended up taking that one. But yeah, man, I just felt like a little off today. I don't know. Have y'all ever felt like that, where you just wake up and you just don't feel like in a groove, in a mood to just trade or do anything really? And today was one of those days. But I did get it done. I did send it out to my Discord. If they took it, or if you was in the Discord, you took it. You got the W with me. It was a quick scalp. Something that I look for a lot, actually. A good setup that I look for a lot when it comes to gold, or when it comes to news, like the big pushes after news, and then trades going in a continuation, whether or not we're at a reverse area or not. But today was one of those days, so I'm going to show you how I got a quick scalp and was able to make about $500 on my live account, which is pretty good because I'm trying to grow this. Like I said, I'm trying to grow. I'm going to show you guys. I end up taking the L first, and then I made it back. So the L, it was about $500 on the day, but it's about 300 or so total. Oh no, I'll show you. But let's get into the breakdown of why I took gold sales. It was a sell scalp. I think we're gonna buy moving forward, but I just took a scalp today for the sales. So let me show you that. All right, so let's go and just show you why I end up taking sales today. It was really today is not based on my sales, was not based on the overall move, because I do think we are bullish. We're consolidating right now, right? I do think we're gonna have some sort of like we're accumulating, right? We've taken sell side liquidity, so 9 times out of 10 we're probably gonna move up, but I don't know if we're gonna come down and take some more liquidity before we do that. Either way it go, today was again scalp move, nothing that I'm holding long term, but either way go, we do the same process, right? Same strategy, same way we mark up our charts. So previous day high and previous day low marked off. I believe around this time we were already up in this area by the time I got to the charts. Let me go to the 1 hour just to make sure. Yep, we were already in this area above the previous day high, and then obviously we had the news CPI today, so I wasn't trading until after news anyways. And then we had this huge drop, right, for our CPI. Now I do believe that this drop was just just fundamentals creating what we already know is going to happen on the technical side, right? We want a higher low to be formed, so that we can continue up. So I think that's just what CPI had just made happen on a faster time, right? But I took advantage of me knowing that even though we are dropping and we are going to buy, we have to take some lows, right? We have to take if we're going to buy, we have to take some sell side liquidity on the smaller time frame. So I took advantage of that as far as my entry goes. So if you go to, I think this was a 5-minute, it was a 5-minute scalp. So let me take some of this shit off. All right, so I went to the 5-minute, and obviously this is that CPI candle, right? So I waited, and what I was looking for is just for price to come into this imbalance and then push back down before we end up pushing back up. Now, did I know if we were going to push all the way down? No. Did I know how far we was going to push down? No. All I was looking for is for my 1 to 2, or just to take some of these lows right here before we end up pushing up. Because if you don't know structure wise, right? If we're gonna push up, we're gonna take a low first. If we're gonna push down, we're gonna take a high first. So for me, for this scalp, I'm only looking for price to come down and take that low, and not try to wait for this for these lows down here, just because I don't know when price is going to reverse. I don't know when price is going to make its move back up. So I'm only taking scalps. This was a simple one. All I was looking for, and I sent this out to my Discord, all I was looking for was price to, once price took buy side liquidity up here, what do we look for? Price to come down and take some sell side liquidity. So CPI made that move for us to come down to these lows, right? Price pushed back up before it took this low, and then I was looking for that continuation down from that 5 minute. We got the break of that candle. The only reason I didn't wait for a bearish break, just because I know that we are overall bullish, right? So I'm not gonna wait for a bearish candle because I might not get it, because overall we are bullish, right? So I'm just looking for the scalp. So as soon as the candle broke here, I just end up taking it. Again, I did not take this on my my funded accounts. I took it on my live account. I'll show you guys that. But yeah, quick scalp, 2 to 1. I think actually a little over 2 to 1. I don't think I held this long. I think I held somewhere up in this area right here. So it was a little over a 2 to 1. And that's all you need for the day. You know what I mean? Same strategy. Kind of like on a lower time frame, right? A market structure shift, leaving a fair value gap, price coming back into that fair value gap, and then taking that continuation down. And literally that's all it was. Super simple, easy trade that I was able to send out to my Discord. I don't know, I didn't really have anything else as far as what I was looking for, because price just completely like dumped for all of the other pairs. I originally thought that we were gonna have some buys to take out these highs before we dumped, but price just said fuck what you talking about and did what it wanted to do today. So this was invalid. This is the first one I sent out, but it was completely invalid, so we didn't take that on YM. And then I didn't really have anything else that I sent out. I still, for this particular setup on CL, I kind of want to see what price does in this area. I don't know if I'm gonna take it, just because it's probably not gonna happen until after I am done trading today. Well, it's 11 o'clock now, so I'm about done trading, and I just feel off. And anytime I feel off, man, I'm just gonna be like, I'm done. I don't want to make it, I don't want to force anything. I don't want to let me put myself back on here, because that's all that was. I don't want to force anything. I don't want to put myself in a position where I'm losing accounts just because I feel like I have to trade. Again, I only trade my live account. Let me show you that really quick. Actually, I think I gotta bring it up. My bad, my camera died, but I was about to pull up my Tradeovate so that I can show you guys my live account. Again, I think I started this off with like $500. The last time I showed you guys, I was at 800, but then I took like a small loss, and then today I won about $500, so I'm up about 1100, which is good, because once I get my account to where I need to be and I'm able to scale this account to those bigger numbers, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. So because the overall goal, and obviously it's not gonna just be only, I was gonna do a challenge, right? But here's the thing about them challenges, it's just too much pressure, and I'm at the point in my life where I'm trying to actually build an account, meaning I care more about the actual stability of having a live account than I do about a challenge, right? So I'm building this account to where I can have only use this account. I'm not worried about prop firms. I'm not worried about the rules. I'm not worried about none of that. I want my account to where I could, if I wanted to, I can make 2-3K a day off just my account and be cool and just take that out every day. You feel me? That's where I'm at with it. So again, I'm probably do a challenge later on, but right now my focus is really on building stability for myself so that I could have that end goal of freedom, right? So again, I'll do the challenge, but I'm right now. I'm just focused on building. So right now, let me show you. So this is my account. I was able to make about $500 on it today. Again, last time I showed you guys, I think I was at 800, but then I ended up losing some on a day. I think it was maybe 2 days ago or something like that. I don't know when I lost, and then today I just ended up bringing it back. But yeah, man. I just wanna. I really wanna focus on my live, man. I enjoy my prop firms, but I'm starting to see like it has way too much pressure on it. And I'm gonna continue doing my prop firms, right? Like I got my Top Step and I got my Apex, so I'm gonna continue doing that forever. It's just I want to really get in my live bag to where I'm actually making money and can just withdraw every single day. Like that's the end goal, being able to have money in my pocket every single day from the charts. So that's all I got. Again, sorry if my energy is a little bit off. I just didn't really feel like trading today. I didn't really talk much in my Discord, but for those that were in it, I appreciate you. It was just one of those. It was a quiet day for me. So we'll be back tomorrow for lives. Hopefully, I have a little bit more energy in me. I'm doing a lot right now because I'm in the middle of about to move this weekend. I will still do my live trading on Friday for those who are in my Discord. Again, it's completely free. Link in the description. If you are not tapped in already, make sure you tap in. Also, strategy in the description. Also, if you are getting messages from what looks like me on any Instagram, Discord, YouTube, I don't care. I don't even know if you can do that on YouTube, but it's not me. I'm not sending any type of messages for y'all to try to get my course or anything like I'm not doing that. Like if you choose to get it, you know where it's at. The link is in my description, right? I'm not going to message you to get it. All right, so be on the lookout for these fake accounts that are being created. I've already got them in my Discord and it's crazy. Like already, I'm really new at this shit and it's already started. So I already know how it's gonna be when we start popping, you know what I'm saying? Like the Discord start popping off and we got hundreds of people in the Discord and I can barely kind of, you know what I'm saying, monitor it. Luckily, I had somebody in my Discord who was able to point it out to me and I appreciate you for it. But again, Friday, I'll be doing my live trading. And yeah, also, I'm going to let me know what else y'all want to see. I kind of feel like I'm being super repetitive with these breakdowns and that's cool. I might do a live trading on my YouTube. I mean, not on my YouTube, but I might like post the live trading from Friday on my YouTube, so you guys can kind of see that. But I kind of want to do something else. Also, I'll be doing the vlogs, right? I'm a like probably like a weekly vlog. I'll probably do that. But yeah, I kind of want to see like any questions y'all want me to answer, like if whether it's trading wise, like how I like market structure, what I mean by market structure shifts, like anything. If you guys want me to start doing other videos outside of just the trade breakdowns, let me know in the comments. I appreciate everybody who has tapped in thus far. I will see you guys on the next video, whether it's another fucking trade breakdown or it's something else. I don't know, but I'm gonna keep posting. I'm gonna keep coming out with the videos regardless, and I hope and I pray that you guys are taking what I'm doing and able to learn from it because it's free game. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, I'm not doing the step-by-step like my strategy is, but it is free game, so take advantage of it. All right, see you guys on the next video. Peace.